access block is bad enough, but here's how to fix your pen tablet not working on your Windows. Now you can try the following general fixes first to resolve the problem, like ensuring that your pen tablet is connected to your computer via the USB port, checking your pen's battery level, and resetting your pen's tablet software settings. But if the problem persists, install the correct drivers for your pen tablet. To start, you can search on Google using this format and visit the best matching results possible. For example, if we have this pen tablet, type in the following, open the website, then download and install the most recent version driver for your pen tablet. Next up, try updating your tablet's firmware. For example, in this tablet firmware, visit the official website, install and download the executable file, launch the application, connect the pen tablet to your computer, click the refresh icon next to firmware in the utility, then click Update option and follow the on-screen instructions. After the firmware update is completed, restart your computer. So those are the following fixes if your pen tablet is not working on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.